Hello YouTube, Benchmade 55 here. I'm out picking up another load of lumber for more projects. You can see that stack right there is a stack of cedar that we're going to get today. And look at that handy tool. Boy, I wish that thing would come home. That would be nice. Isn't that cool how he's doing this? He uses that to pick up the logs with typically. Let's see how good he is. Just zoom right in on that chain. Look at that. We've gotten most of our lumber from this sawmill up in North Carolina. Okay, I'm gonna have to go move the boards onto the trailer to stack them on. Okay, so there's all the cedar loaded up. What a nice load of cedar that is too. And as you can see, that's quite a cool device. I wish we had that at the house. So I got the wood home. Now comes the unloading. I just wanted to show you. I started stacking it up. What I do is I use some other wood. They're called stickers. I'll go show you that. That go between the boards so that it can air dry, since this was cut at the sawmill. Look at that. Look at that cedar. See the red in there? And the smell is just unbelievable around here. So I'm going to be making cedar chests, coffins, you name it. And if anybody has any good ideas what would look good from cedar, let me know. All right, let me bounce down off the truck here. Sorry about that. You see, there's boards in between when I stack it up. And that way, the air will be able to get in there and dry this. And then I have a moisture meter that I check to see till I get it down to about 10 or 12%. But look at that. So that is a beautiful find of cedar wood. I still got a lot of work ahead of me. Benchmade 55.